Hey beauties, I just got my hands on some Sheglam. I've got some viral finds that I've been so excited to try. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content. We are bougie on a budget around here, so if you are too, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get started because my makeup's looking a little crazy. I do need to chug my coffee though. I didn't actually get any concealer or foundation. I was kind of skeptical about those, but if you've tried them, let me know in the comments below. I might go back for those if you tell me that they're good. I did grab the Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the color Chocolate. I like that it has this pencil side and this like felt tip side. By the way, before I got started, I thought my neighbors were mowing the lawn, but it turns out it's AT&T installing fiber cables. So I hope you can't hear that, but they're literally right outside my window right here. We're just gonna keep it moving because I got stuff to do today. That is applying so nice. I was scared that the chocolate color was gonna be too warm, but it's actually a really nice color. Taking this side. Brow is giving and it took me no time whatsoever. I did set with the NYX brow glue, just the clear one. I do have my brows laminated. I do them here at home from an Amazon kit. I did film a vlog. I'll link it down below. I went ahead and just did my eyes off camera to give them time to do their job, and it was perfect timing because I think they're done. The brows are looking so good. I'm very, very happy with that brow pen. Next, I did grab the bronzer and blush. First, I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. This is the Terracotta Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. Just do 3 dots. I try not to do too much contour on my forehead, just because I do have a smaller forehead. If I put too much bronzer, then it just makes it look more small. Let's go in with this IT Cosmetics brush. Okay, wow, that blended so nice. Forehead. Wow, I'm loving that. And then I just bring the excess right here in the middle just to even it out. Even with the nose contour, that blended so quick and easy. Quicker than any of the ones I've been using. Yeah, I think that's gonna be my new go-to cream bronzer. Let's try the blush. This is the color Love Cake in the Color Bloom Day Glow Liquid Blush. So this color does have a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm just gonna blend it with a sponge. That is so pretty. I have not tried one of these freckle pins, so I just went ahead and picked it up because it looks so fun. So I'm gonna try it out before I set, because I figure if I put translucent powder, it'll fade it a little bit if I get too crazy with it. But this is the color Fawn. They did have several shades to choose from. That's kind of a thick brush. I don't really know how to do this. Okay. I blended it away. I don't know about this, you guys. Definitely cover that spot there. Ah! That one is If you let it dry for a second, I feel like I look crazy, like a Halloween costume. But if you let it dry for a second, it does kind of spread a little bit better without just smearing it everywhere. I'm gonna do translucent powder. I went a little crazy with that. Let's do a tinted translucent powder, and I'm just taking the Fit Me one, mostly underneath my eye because I hadn't set my foundation. My concealer. We might need to try this again. I feel like I messed it up. Let's try again. I feel like I messed up when I did the tinted powder because it kind of changed the color. So I just wiped off right here and then reapplied a little bit of bronzer and blush. Let's try this again. I do have a natural spot right here. I'm gonna emphasize that. Okay. Other side, I'm gonna emphasize this as a freckle first. Probably should cover this one and this one and that one. I'm just emphasizing the natural ones. I feel like that's a better plan than just doing it right here. So now I'm just gonna do. What do we think? I don't know how to feel, I'm gonna be honest. I really don't know if I like it or not. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I got a little carried away with it right here. Kind of trying to make it look like a filter, and in real life, it's not that cute, but I think what I'm gonna use it for is like these natural blemishes right here. I was using just a black eyeliner. Desi taught me that, but I think that this actually looks a lot more natural. So instead of creating like faux freckles here, I'll just use it to hide any bumps and breakouts that I have. So maybe I should just try again since I'm here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe these away because I do feel like they're too much right there. I'm just using a makeup wipe. Where did I put that blush? Why do I lose everything when I'm doing my makeup? Oh, here it is. Since I wiped away some of that makeup that's right there, I'm gonna go in again with the blush. It's so funny because I have a natural freckle right here, but now I have one exactly on the opposite side with that breakout right here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with a translucent powder. And look at that powder over that faux freckle. It looks so natural. And now I don't have like a big red bump. Even right up here in my forehead where I'm broken out. I'm just gonna cover it with some translucent powder. And it does look super natural. Like super natural, not supernatural. Okay, I am not mad at those faux freckles. Let's hit it with some setting spray. Let's move on to lips. I had to get a lip product. I'm obsessed with lipsticks and lip liners. I saw this one is the Soft 90s Glam Lip Liner and Lip Duo Set. It actually has the lip liner, the matte color, and the lip gloss. Oh, and this is the color Hot Cocoa. There's the lip liner. I like that it has a warmer undertone because I don't have any lip liners right now that are this color. Let's go in with the matte color. Okay, I'm just gonna go back in the corners. I like the lightest part of my lip color to be focused right here in the middle. I like it. It's like a warm neutral, perfect for my skin tone. And then I'm gonna go back with the lip gloss. And it's like a clear peachy color. Really pretty. I don't see any glitter or anything in it. And it has a little flat applicator. So pretty. This kind of reminds me of the Sweet Tea by Morphe lip color. Do I have that here? I don't know. Are we still buying Morphe? What's the deal with all that drama? So there's Sweet Tea, which I know is a very popular color. And the one on top is the Sheglam one. I would say they are very similar. The Sheglam might be a little bit more orange, but if you like Sweet Tea, you will definitely like this color. Wow, my makeup is looking so good. Even the freckles, I was kind of worried there for a second, but I'm thinking that they're working out. This might be one of my go-to makeup hacks now. I even added more right here where I have some texture. Before I finish up though, I do also have this Sheglam Sun-Kissed Body Highlighter. And of course I'm wearing a sweater. Let's just try this out. So pretty. What color is this one? 101 Athena. I love me some yellow gold. She's putting on some lipstick, but I wanted to show you. I don't have any lotion or anything on right now. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's so shiny. Huh? So glittery. There's the difference. Let me go change my shirt so we can see how it looks on the décolletage area. I didn't even think about having a sweater on, but let's try this on the shoulder. Let's be real, I put this stuff all over. Ooh, oops, got it on my shirt. Guess my shirt's gonna be glittery now. Don't do this with your clothes on, unless you want glittery clothes. Wow, it's so gold and glittery. It's giving me the Tom Ford spray glitter vibes with the type of glitter it is and the color that it is. Obviously it doesn't smell like Tom Ford. If you are wanting a body glitter, this is the one. The Tom Ford one isn't even as glittery as the Shein one. I wish I would have done half and half, but this is more of like an oil and this is more like a glitter lotion. They are very similar in color. Why can't I get this to go in here? So if you like and have this one, grab this one and you can mix them both for an extra oomph. Because the Tom Ford one just smells so good. And I feel like mixing them will help you hold on to this one a little bit longer because you're not using as much to get all the glitter out, you know? If y'all see me glittering like Edward Cullen in the summertime, don't mind me. I love glitter and I will happily wear it around all summer. I think the pink one would look really, really pretty too. This is the final look. I am a fan of Sheglam as of today. I know that they had a setting spray, they have foundation, concealer, powder products. So tell me what else I need from Sheglam because I'm about to get back on and order all their makeup right now. Don't be shy of the freckle pin because you don't just have to use it as freckles. What do we think? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a huge thumbs up and thanks for hanging out. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.